this is Sam Create the Heart, and I'm back with another one of my, I don't know, I'm still trying to debate the name, maybe I put it in the video, Stash Buster, use it or lose it type video, where I am digging deep with stuff that I have had for a while, and kind of making that decision to go ahead and just use it up. So, yeah, just use it up, and if I decide to do a challenge or something like that, I'll just be using stuff I have already and I love. So I've made tons of stuff. These are all in my other videos of all the stuff that I've made, and now I'm on to actually a collection I really like, and oddly enough I hardly had any of it. I mean I had, for this collection, I had the ephemera. This is, I think, Sweater Weather by American Crafts. I had the ephemera and the sticker sheet. The sticker sheet, I did have it handy. I'm still working on it. The sticker sheet, the ephemera, and I had like 2 pieces of paper. And I made all of this. Well, not all of this. I think one of the things that I didn't use any is to show you something else. So I made it stretch, and I used all the pieces that I could with it, and there is like nothing left except for some stickers and a tiny few pieces of ephemera, and I'm using it in my journal, so it's all good. So in one of my videos, I don't remember which one, I shared the slimline card money holder that I need to make 4 of these, because I'm doing 4, for my, I have 2 nieces and 2 nephews. They're all getting PJs for Christmas this year, and a little bit of money from their aunties. So this is the one of the cards that I made. That this one was snow and cocoa inspired, and I talked about how to make it super easy. But I did stamp a happy holidays from all of us, because I'm gonna put it from me and my kids. But anyway, I needed to make 3 more, and so I made it with this Sweater Weather. And I haven't put the money in yet, but I love how it came out, and I kind of used what I could. So here's this one, and this is all made strictly with stickers. On this one, I think it's all stickers. And I used a little strip of snow and cocoa because I just didn't have a lot of paper. But this collection I love. It's got the charm of snow and cocoa, but it's got the colors. They're a little more vibrant, and I like them a lot. So there's that one, and it says favorite cozy day. I just kind of pieced together a sentiment there. And then this one right here. So I had some circles cut out. This one says gather and snuggle up. And I used stickers on this one as well. And then like I just did like a little, I used some scrap for a little strip here in the bottom because it was very busy with all the sweaters on there. And then I used a little snow and cocoa inside because I had a few pieces of scrap just around. And then here is the last one. I don't know if this one's my favorite or not, but it says Happy Snow Day. And these are all made with the stickers. And I think it came out really cute. And then inside, I used a little strip of snow and cocoa because that's what I had when I went around. Happy holidays from all of us. And so those are ready. All I need to do is wrap the presents, put the money in. I might decorate the envelopes. So there is that. And then the rest, I made tags. And oh my gosh, I love the tags. And so a lot of the tags, I did use some stickers, but I used every scrap of the paper that I had, and I used, mostly the ephemera, some stickers, mostly the ephemera. So I used my favorite tag die on all of them. I mean, you can use anything as a die, but for a tag, but I love this tag die. I use it for all my tags. And this is just a really simple tag die from CC Designs, and I love it. I use it all the time. So here's this one, and I have this bow. This is a My Creative Time bow. And I just used whatever words were in the ephemera that I had that I could use. So this one just says today, and then I could stamp a to from or just write to from. I don't sweat it too much because these are mostly all going to family anyways. And then, what do you want?
I heard a sound.
There's no sound.
Did you hear it?
No, I did not.
I heard it. It was at like the back door.
There's no sound. Close the door. Thank you. All right. Sorry about that. And so for this one, I really literally had no pieces of paper. The other ones, I did have some paper left, but I just had enough for the top of this. And then this is like just a little scrap piece. And this is hot cocoa every day. This is a little Mary Days cup. And then I have these little, they're like plastic, I think, snowflakes, glittered snowflakes that I put on top. And I think it's really cute. So there's that one. And then here's one where I had full pieces still. And here's the flat bow by My Creative Time. I have my little sweater on, I have it propped up on some foam tape. And this one just says snow. And I have my little snowflakes there. That one's fun. So this one uses a sticker, a to from, so I can do my to from on the front. And I have some circles, some cut out circles that I cut out ahead of time in my little paper buffet. Right there, I used all those. And then this one technique I like to do when you have these teeny tiny little tags. If you're not going to use them on a present, you could just tie them to a bigger tag and voila, I did it on 2 of them here. And this one, I literally only had a tiny bit of paper. And so I just put that tiny bit of paper there. And then I used this big flower. And, you know, I just found a way to kind of utilize what we had. And then I had a full, still had enough to make a full tag there. And this one says Happy Snow Day. And just kind of using it up. And then this one, I used a circle piece. And it has a circle ephemera piece, and then I used my bow, and then this warm wishes all from the ephemera. And so, and then the back, I put this on there, so I can write the to from there. And so just, I mean, I only had 2 sheets of paper, but it gave me 4 different images because they were double-sided. So I got 4 different patterns, but I only had 2 sheets of paper. And so from those 2 sheets of paper, I was able to get these projects from that 2 sheets of paper. I did have the ephemera and the stickers, which were amazing. So this is called Sweater Weather. I think I ordered this. I think I had come across the ephemera or the sticker sheet and I loved it and I wanted the stuff that came with it. So I think I searched it out. And so that's how I found it. But I love that. So anyway, this is like all the stuff that I've made so far. I'm still working on the old Doodlebug that I have. I have some Doodlebug that's, I don't even know the name of it. It's older, like 4 or 5 years old, I think. So I want to use that and say goodbye to it or not. I might look at it and go, oh, over it. I gotta do some other stuff. But anyway, this is my Stash Buster series. It's getting deep, deep, deep in your stash, and use that stuff that you've been hoarding. And this is definitely hoardable stuff, and just use it. That for me, it's a use it and be done and move on kind of day. So anyway, and I think Crafty Bean left me a comment about how she loves Snow and Cocoa, but she destashed it because it was the same idea. She really just wanted to use new stuff because you do get bogged down with using that old stuff. And like this has a real Snow and Cocoa kind of feel to it. And there, you can do things that give you that feel, but use new stuff. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy Praying with the Heart.